Hey, it's Crystal back with Blind World. Going to do how to use your Keurig. I have the Express Essentials. And first you check the water level. Do that every time. If it needs to be refilled, refill it. This pretty much takes 10 ounces. It's on the right side of the machine. And I have my K-cup already. The way you know the top is bigger than the bottom, so that's how you put it in the right way. And I'll show you like this. And in the close it. In the front there is 4 buttons. Top one is 10, middle one is 8. Second to the bottom is 6. You can actually feel it with your fingers. And the way bottom is power. So push the power button, push whichever ounces you want, which I'm gonna do 8. I'm gonna turn on my cup. Make sure your cup is under there or you're gonna have a big mess. So here we go. 10, let's see, there's 8.
Stop recording video.
And there we go. Super simple, so much easier than the touch screens. And it's almost done when you hear that. And that's it. Super simple. Make sure you take your K-cup out when you're done. And your coffee's ready. Talk to you later. Please like and subscribe. If any more questions about it, feel free to put it in the comments.
2 minutes. Stop recording video.